What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. Now this is a voiceover as I was unable to speak during the trade, but you'll see that I was just going long here on GBP USD right before the 10 a.m. news release, and I was also already in a long position on euro as well, but I also added to that position, as you'll see very shortly. So we were expecting higher prices. This was because we took out Tuesday's high, and if you did watch yesterday's video, I'll make sure to link it, you'll know that I was stating that if we lost Tuesday's high, then I'd expect higher prices and I'll run into Monday's high. So that was what was helping with confluence. You could also see that euro was constantly pressing higher as dollar was pressing lower. Dollar also took out Tuesday's low, and I was saying again in yesterday's video, if we lose that low, I want to see us trade higher. So here's right before the news release. And then you can see how price starts to aggressively trade higher, just as anticipated. That red box is a fair value gap on the daily, I believe, on euro, and we did eventually trade up into that. And then you can see that GBP also showed a lot of aggression. What you'll also find is that GBP seemed to be more aggressive. I think GBP made more pips. That's because GBP was held in consolidation whilst euro was pressing higher, so it was almost forced to catch up. And you can see obviously dollar gapping lower, which is beautiful to see, and running deeply down towards the weekly and daily fair value gaps we delineated. So you'll also see that I do close half of my position out once we hit the fair value gap on euro, and that's purely just to pay myself so that I could leave the rest running. And then you can see on GBP I go and do the same as well. So when we have big moves and big expansions like this, it's always a habit of mine to just whilst it's rallying, to pay myself, because you can imagine that the that price moves very quickly, and then I tend to watch the rest run. So that's going to be everything, guys. Hope you found this insightful. Definitely go and watch yesterday's video for more context on how I framed this trade, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.